Okay, so it's low-key late, and I know you guys are asking, why are you starting a video at 5:45? Why are you starting a video at basically 6 p.m.? That's a good question. So I want to be productive. And turning on a camera and saying, I'm gonna have a productive 3 hours is okay with me. So we're gonna do schoolwork, we're gonna get my laundry done. Oh, and also we're gonna edit. Yeah, because I made another video today. You'll see. You already saw probably. But I'm wearing the exact same outfit as my video from last week. And that's because it's the same day. I filmed that one in the morning, and this one I'm filming at night. So, I mean, it's fine. We're good. They're both gonna be the same quality, definitely. But like, you know, who cares? It's my YouTube channel. Don't like this? Sue me. Let's go. Thank you. There you go. Guys, I'm low-key so good. It's been 10 minutes and I got one problem right. We love radicals, don't we? Don't we love radicals? We love it. We love math-related content. 8, radical 2. I am just that good. Literally watch. Watch it be right. Watch it be right. Oh, wait, hold on. Watch it be right. Yeah. Guys, I'm literally so smart. Cut it here. Grandma, how do you do this problem? What are you doing there? Ew. You do not have permission to be there. Get down. I'm talking to you. Literally get down from there. Like, I'm just literally talking to you the entire time. Obviously. Literally eye contact. No! It fell. You're okay. You're okay. It's fine. We're good. This is not going how I planned it. It is currently 10:25. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm dying inside. I'm still on like geometry. We had like 3 assignments to complete, and I'm still on geometry. Actually frustrated. This is how studying is. I want to study like them Pinterest girls, but you can't. Like, they're on another level. My guy, my dude. I don't know how they do it. But like, I'll check back in and we'll see what I'm doing then. All right, last question. Literally so good. It is currently 11:09 and I finally finished my geometry homework. I would call that productive. Took me 6 hours, guys. 6 hours. I'm literally crying. I'm quaking in my boots right now. I'm not even joking. Okay, but that's okay. We might even do some laundry. Who knows? Like, tomorrow or something. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, guys. So, you know what? You guys will probably have to see me in the morning because I cannot do this. I am exhausted. I spent 5 hours on my homework. Finished. I'm happy. It's great. It was very productive. Want me to time lapse this or something? Do you want me to do that for you? No, I'm not. But I love you guys. I still love you. Still love you. Does anyone think their makeup like looks really good at one time, but like, you know, maybe right before they, like right as they put it on, they're like, I don't know. Ciao. Anyways, okay. Look at this little Minnie Mouse skirt. Emmett's skirt. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Look at this little Minnie Mouse shirt that my mom got me when she was like on one of her trips. Isn't that adorable? I wear it as PJs, but I literally love it so much. Yes, it's so cute. I feel like my smile looked so fake there, but that's just because I'm really tired, guys. I love you though. And I love my mom. And she got me that. And I love it. So sweet. But it was when she went to Disneyland or something like that without me, so yeah. I'm just kidding. Also, guys, I love this shirt. It's like brown and it has like maroon flowers. It's a long sleeve. Oh, it has like a string on it. Gross. But like it's a long sleeve and it has magenta flowers and whatnot. And it's like pointelle knit. So there are these like little holes in it. I don't know if you can see. There you can see that. But it is absolutely adorable. I bought it from Brandy Melville. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's such a unique color combination. Like, it's a small detail, but for some reason it's really important to me. I want to wear it in one of my videos sometime soon. Also, in my videos, I look so different than I do in real life. Because, like, I mean, the face is the same, but what I mean is, like, I get ready. Like, I put on makeup. I put on like outfits, like fits, you know, like outfits. And then at school, I wear my glasses, I wear mascara, and I wear a green hoodie, like all the time. Let me show you it. Hold on. Don't fall asleep on me now. It is this green oversized hoodie. I bought it about a year ago. I literally wear this everywhere. Like, I do not wear anything else. So you can never see the shirt that I'm wearing. So like, I wear my glasses, so it's like, you know, and then I wear this. So I look literally like this all day. So now it's boring to me, kind of. It's like a basic, you know? You know, whenever it's just like, it's not giving. It doesn't give to me anymore, so I'm probably not gonna wear it in a lot of my videos. But we'll see. Maybe when I want to change things up. But let me put this back because I'm trying to put my clothes back and this is not helping. I will put my PJs in the drawers because I put my PJs in the drawers and I hang my actual clothes, like daytime clothes, up. So yes. Also, for my PJs, I literally just wear old t-shirts and pajama pants. Like, I want to be one of those girls who's like wearing really cute sets to bed, but like I don't have the time for that. And also it's hard for me to find like really cute sets for some reason. Oh gosh. So I do something when there's no room for my hangers. Can you guys that. I basically just weave them all the way up to there. Yeah, that's what I do. It's like not good. But I do plan to maybe someday sell some of these clothes that I've had for like a couple years, because I have a whole bunch of jeans that I've literally had since I was like 4. No, I'm joking, but like, you know, for years, like maybe 4 years maybe. And some of them still fit, but just like they don't fit the way that I want them to. So yeah, I might sell them. I might make a Depop. Guys, comment if you want that, okay? Comment if you want that. Like, that's actually so bad. Why is that funny though? What? That is like actually so bad. That is not even half of my laundry, but I think we're gonna do the rest tomorrow or something like that, maybe. Or maybe this is the end of the video. So, I don't know. If so, I love you guys. Ciao, au revoir, cheers, adieu, adios, bye.